Now remember, we're going to do the same steps. Now we are going to do what is called combining like terms. Here, I have no terms to combine. Here, I have these terms to combine. Let's combine those. Negative 12 plus 6 gives us a negative 6. We're going to bring down this negative 18x. And now we're going to bring down my other side of the equation. Just like that. Okay. And, oh wow, sorry, I messed up. 6 times 4 is not 18. Sorry, it's 24. I don't know what I was thinking. And I'm pretty sure y'all catched it. But good thing I catched it now before we continue. Okay, so here should be negative 6 minus 24x. I'm so sorry. Okay, so now let's continue. So now remember, we want to have the x by itself on one side. So what I'm going to do is add this x to that side. That cancels out. On this side, I will be left with negative 6. Negative 24x plus x is going to give me negative 23x. And we just drop this 40 down on this side. I want to get rid of this number since I just want x by itself on one side. So I'm going to move this number to this side. I'm going to do the inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. Just like that. This cancels out, and I'm left with 46 is equal to negative 23x. Now, I want x by itself, so what I'm going to do is get rid of this negative 23. And in order to do that, I have to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So 46 divided by negative 23 gives me negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2. And you can check your work again by plugging this into your original equation. Now let's do this next problem, problem number 19. Again, we're going to start out by distributing this set right here. Remember to do your little arrows. So now, what is negative 8 times negative 6? Let's bring this down. That is going to give us a positive 8x, because a negative times a negative gives us a positive. Now, negative 8 times a 7. That's going to give us negative 56. So there we go. We distributed that. And here we have nothing to distribute, so we're just going to bring that down. Okay. Now, combine like terms. Let's look what we have here to combine. Here we have this set of numbers that can be combined. Here we have nothing to combine. So let's go ahead and combine these terms. 7x plus 8x will give us 15x. Let's bring everything else down. Okay. Remember, we're trying to solve for x. So we want x just by itself on one side. So I want to move this 7x to this side, or you can always do vice versa. It is up to your decision which one you would like to do. In this case, I want to move this one. So I'm going to move this one to the other side. 7x minus 7x cancels out. Here I am left with 8x minus 56. Remember to bring everything down. And here I want to get rid of this number because I want 8x by itself. So I'm going to do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. Just like that. This cancels out. Now, what is negative 16 plus 56? So negative 16 plus 56 gives us 40. And I am running out of space here, so I'm going to continue my work on this side. Just like that. We want x by itself, so we need to get rid of this 8. So I'm going to do the inverse of multiplication, which is division. Here, they cancel out, and I'm left with this. We want to simplify that. Always want to simplify. So what is 40 divided by a? 40 divided by a, that gives me 5. That means x is equal to 5. Again, you can check your work by plugging this into your original equation. And lastly, problem number 20. Remember here, we want to always start out by distributing. So let's do our arrows. I'm sorry, you can't really see. I'm running out of space on the top. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and bring this down first. Negative 8x plus 32. So what is 4 times negative 2? 4 times negative 2, that's going to be negative 8. And what is 4 times negative 4? That's going to be a negative 16. And we keep the x. Do I have anything to combine here? No, I don't have anything to combine. But I do want to get rid of x. So let's see which number I'm going to move to the other side. I want to move this 8x to this side of the equation. So I'm going to add this here. Cancels out. I'm going to add it over here. And then negative 16x minus 8x. What does that give me? Wait, sorry, that's adding. Sorry. Negative 16x plus 8x. That's going to give me a negative 8x. And I'm going to bring down this negative 8. This kind of looks like an equal sign, so let me fix that. Okay. There we go. And equal to 32, because we are bringing down this number up here. Now I want x by itself, so I'm going to move this number over here by adding. That cancels out. This comes down over here.